First of all, I congratulate all of you for winning the elections. And I congratulate the NRM and its members in the country for having delivered a big victory, although we could have done more if we get rid of some weaknesses. Now that you are in leadership, if you are corrupt, not only are you going to misuse government resources, but you will become a bad example. If all the others copy you, where will the country be? If we capture this, the summary of which I have given you, we can't go wrong. So if you, the leaders, you come as clean new brooms, don't please involve yourself in corruption. Don't please, I beg you. And I also not tolerate corruption.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.